we're doing now is winemaking. We're doing the basics of winemaking. They've had some really good experience, really good basic grounding and sensory evaluation with my colleagues from the university as well. And now we are doing the nitty-gritty.
How do wine end up in a bottle? So we've been focusing more in that, like where do wine come from originally?
First it was all the theory behind, and then we were given grapes, so we crushed them using our hands. We just stem them, we remove the stems. So yesterday we checked how's the fermentation process going. So we seen some changes, that the skins were up and there were some little bubbles because of the carbon dioxide.
From the very beginning, they are just a really engaged, open, wanting to learn, passionate bunch of students.
I'm open-minded now, more open-minded, if I can put it that way, because it's now you're going deeper and it's more just interesting.